CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2 Given a scenario, perform OS installations and upgrades in a diverse environment. Partitioning. In the previous two video segments, we covered the essentials of boot methods, which involve the various ways to load an operating system onto a target device, such as via USB or network connection. We've also explored installation types, ranging from in-place upgrades and clean installs to repair installations and image deployments, each with its unique benefits and use cases. Now, let's move on to our next topic, partitioning. Partitioning a physical hard drive involves dividing it into distinct sections, each functioning as a separate logical drive. This process is essential for organizing data and managing storage efficiently. When you partition a drive, you're working at the drive level, creating a partition table that keeps track of the locations and sizes of each partition. Two primary partitioning schemes are the master boot record, or MBR, and the GUID partition table, or GPT. Master boot record, or MBR, is the older of the two partitioning schemes and has been around since the early days of personal computing. An MBR partitioning scheme supports up to 4 primary partitions or 3 primary partitions plus 1 extended partition, which can contain multiple logical drives. A primary partition is a bootable partition that can contain an operating system, while an extended partition is a non-bootable partition, usually used for additional data storage. Each partition can be up to 2 terabytes in size. MBR is suitable for older systems or those still running legacy software that doesn't support GPT. It's also a straightforward choice if you don't need more than 4 partitions or require partitions larger than 2 terabytes. On the other hand, GUID partition table, or GPT, is the modern replacement for MBR, offering several advantages. A GPT partitioning scheme supports an almost unlimited number of partitions, but most operating systems impose a practical limit of 128. Each partition can be up to 18 exabytes in size, which is astronomically larger than the 2 terabyte limit of MBR. Therefore, GPT is ideal for modern drives larger than 2 terabytes and systems requiring more than 4 partitions. Additionally, systems using UEFI, rather than the older BIOS, will require GPT. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.